Hello everyone, it's me Chebby from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to customize on-screen navigation bar and swipe gestures in Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I'm using a on-screen navigation bar. As you can see here, the three buttons as you can see at the bottom. So if you're using a swipe gesture, still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly, just open the Galaxy Store and just search for one application named as GoodLock. And the first place you will see the application, just click on it. So I have already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download and install it, and if this GoodLock is not available for your respective Samsung smartphones, then what you can do is just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Lock. And on the first list you will see the application, just click on it. So you install either of this application, whichever supports on your Samsung smartphones, and after that just open the GoodLock or Lock, whichever application you have installed. And here you will see plugins. So under the plugins, just scroll down below. Now you need to download and install this Napster. Just click on this download option. So finally the installation is completed. Now you can see Napster, just click on it. Now click on start, allow all. Now just turn on the snap start. Now here you will see pre-included tons of different styles for your on-screen navigation bar. So say let me select one. So I have selected this one. So you can see at the bottom, you can see the three buttons has been changed. So if I click on the other, that means you can see here. So you can show and hide button also. There is one show and hide button. If you enable it, you will see here one dot appearing on the left bottom corner. So if you double click on it, then the on-screen bottom navigation bar will get hidden. So in order to make it so, just swipe up. So you can see here, double tap again in order to unhide. So you can enable or disable this option, and you can customize the navigation bar height also depending upon your needs. So you can make it more smaller size, as you can see, small, medium, and the normal standard, which is large. So these are the options you're gonna get inside here, and you can create your new configuration also. If you want to create your own custom button icons and button layouts, you can customize it depending upon your needs. So this is all about the on-screen navigation bar. So if you're using a swipe gestures or the swipe navigation bar, then you can just click on the swipe gesture. Now just turn it on. Now it will ask you to change the navigation bar style. So let us click on OK. Now just select the swipe gestures. Now just move back. Now just turn on the swipe gestures option, that is the Napster option. Now here you will see your different options like transparent hint. So you can make the navigation bar hint area transparent. So if you turn on, so you can see here the options has moved more down, and if I turn it on, so you can see the options. There is some transparent hidden area. Allow back gestures in full screen, so you can allow back gestures in full screen also. Enable extra gesture settings, so you can customize the side back gestures indication. So back button, as you can see here, the icon, arrow icon appearing whenever we move back or forward. So you can customize this arrow icon and just click on this option. You can select the respective color. So I'll just put it red, click on done. Now if I swipe it, so you can see here the arrow is appearing in red in color. So you can change the background also. So let us select the green one, click on done. Now let us check again swiping. So you can see here finally change the color, and you can reset it also by clicking here. Now if we swipe, it will get restored. And below there are more options like back gesture sensitivity, so you can increase or decrease the sensitivity, gestures handle, and gesture handles color. So you can see here different colors, or you can reset the gesture handle configuration also. So these are the options you're gonna get under the swipe gestures options. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily customize on-screen navigation bar and swipe gestures in Samsung smartphones running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.